in any agriculture industry or manufacturing industry, Weightment plays very important role. Here in our cotton ginning industry, raw cotton, this Weightment is one of the most important aspect of the procurement. Any wrongdoing in the Weightment will directly impact to the margins of the ginner. So first of all, CCTV, the first mode of contact, the first mode of surveillance will be this location only. This CCTV camera used to surveillance the Weightment system, whether the driver is sitting with the lorry while Weightment or not. This small points has to be taken care while Weightment. So after Weightment, the lorry will come here, the tractors, the trolley, farmer bring the cotton in the, either in tractors or in small apte. Unloading, manual unloading has been taken place at this point. Whenever the manual contact is there, the moisture monitoring will be there, the quality check will be taken care by the graders. This is another important aspect of ginning industry, the raw cotton's quality checking aspect. Here the CCTV cameras has been installed to take care of the quality of the stock, or to take care if there is any theft risk is there. So at the unloading point or at the unloading OTA, this CCTV comes into the picture for the fact that while unloading, the kind of material has been unloaded, or any kind of theft, in case if there is any theft, that needs to be taken care. These are the small things this kind of CCTV will monitor and give us the signal if anything significant incident happen. So after heaping with the help of loader, now the raw cotton, the heap wise we sorted it out with heap wise. This is heap 1, this is heap 2, and after heaping, this material will be loaded to this hopper. This is an auto feeder. With the help of auto feeder, the timely and uniform dispensing of raw cotton will be given to the DRs, and this will be done with the help of this loader. With the help of this auto feeder, the uniform feeding of raw cotton will be given to all the machines using this conveyor belt. So this is the ginning process, where seed and the lint has been separated using these ginning machines. Now this is the trolley which uniformly feeds using sensor to all the machines. Any machine requires cotton, using the sensors, proximity sensors, this trolley feeds all the machines. Here the surveillance, the fire, in case of any fire incidents or something, surveillance needs to be there, and that's why 2 CCTV camera has been installed. Also this will help us to monitor the labor. Now after separation cotton seed and lint, the cotton seed will be sold to oil mills or crushers, and the lint will be either exported or sold to all the spinning mills in India. The bales will be made using the lint which has been separated from raw cotton, will be pressed here in a compact form by this hydraulic press, and these bales, the hydraulic press, the compacted form of the lint is called bales. These bales will be sold to spinning mills in India or are also exported at the same time, depending on the quality to quality. Here the surveillance comes for the quality check, the labor control, or in case of any discrepancy which can be seen in the pressing hall, as well as to monitor the lint stock or the bale stock. The huge quantity of stock will be available here. To monitor the lint stock as well, the CCTV cameras are taking care of.
For decades, industrial surveillance was just a passive recording, storing blind spots in a dusty back room.
NodeOps changes the equation. With CreateOS, we turn passive cameras into active edge nodes, creating a decentralized compute network. Video becomes data. Anomalies are detected instantly. We aren't just watching the line, we are computing its efficiency.
Solving real-world waste with next-gen infrastructure. This is the new operating system for industrial intelligence.